Welcome back to CE Week 2016. I'm Jason Aaron, sitting in the big chair from Michael Artsis today as we roll on early coverage of the show. And I'm sitting here with Claude from Cleer. Claude, when you talk about consumer electronics, I've already seen a drone flying past the booth, a walking dog. You know, sometimes stuff gets a little bit out of the realm of necessity and more into the play department, but I mean, a good quality set of headphones, that's a necessity.
Oh, totally. It doesn't fly, it doesn't walk, it doesn't roll, but you mentioned the word play. Yeah, I mean, everybody needs to take that little private time, that little moment, kind of, you know, disappear from reality and enjoy some music, right? It's easy.
Absolutely.
It is a necessity, you're right.
And headphones have come such a long way. I mean, I think a big turning point was the first iPod, and it was obviously a huge game changer for music.
Totally.
Where we were able to take our music and put it in our pocket and go with us. But what happened there was Apple created their own headphones. And I think that in the way that Apple does, they were sort of good enough.
Right.
You know,
right.
You could sort of hear, and that was okay for a lot of people. But for people who wanted serious sound, those headphones, which I mean retail for $30, are a far cry from what good sound is.
Oh yeah, no, you're right. You're right. The deli sandwich has come a long way. I mean, it's amazing how that gateway drug really kind of perpetuated a massive industry. And to your point now, the reality of having quality sound is very, very, very true. And you can have it, I can have it, and it doesn't require special gear per se. It doesn't require a Wi-Fi stream, if you will. You know, you can now enjoy quality content on your person at any time, whether you're on the train, whether you're walking down the street, whether you're at your desk, whether you're at home in bed, you name it, it's available.
So what are we looking at here? I mean, first of all, your headphones match our set. So that's already kudos.
Yep.
I mean, that's a big win. That's
Definitely,
a big win.
thank you.
So what do we have here?
Well, we did that on purpose.
And we appreciate it.
No, definitely. Just for you, Jason. This is our latest entry into the headphone war, if you will. These are the DU Bluetooth wireless headphones. You know, the fifth model in our line. Granted, Cleer is a very fresh company, new to a very long discussion. But we're approaching things a little bit differently. I appreciate your comment to the style. You're already noticing the very functional design, the fact that, okay, these are eye-catching, these are nice, I'm interested, right? And that's just the beginning, and then it comes down to, you know, choice materials, fine craftsmanship. Not getting crazy with things. Sometimes you see it all the time, you know, remember when the industrial phase was all the rage and
Sure.
everything was raw metal, not necessarily comfortable. It was what it was, you know,
Right.
yeah. But in the end, it you know, being sensitive to those materials and applying what works, especially acoustically with alloy ear cups, you know, being sensitive, obviously, with synthetic leather ear pads, memory foam, etc., to add up to a total comfort. Now, we've talked about the outside, now let's talk about the inside, which is a little bit more important. Sure, we said that these are Bluetooth wireless headphones. Okay, the spec, Bluetooth 4.1 support, aptX, okay. That's the IC capability within. We also have an integrated amplifier built in, which is quite nice, that actually helps deliver a nice response via dual 40mm drivers in each ear cup. Now, where the Bluetooth obviously steps on the audio signal and the aptX helps revitalize things, on the logic side, the drivers actually really help deliver smooth audio response to the ears without any of the phase issues whatsoever.
Right, so for those who don't know, so I'm a guy, and when I go to the gym, I really want that wireless headphone.
Yeah.
You know, I can't have wires hanging off me, I'm running on the treadmill, whatever, so I use them, but, you know, if I'm just on the train, or, you know, maybe I'm in my bed listening to music or whatever, and I want to eliminate what Bluetooth loses, can I plug a cord into this and use it as a traditional cord headphone?
Of course you can. Of course you can. There's a passive mode, so you can plug in your Wi-Fi, your Apple control, your Android control cable. So of course for mobility on the go. but then as well, your direct connection to the source. So once again, it's all about convenience, but then quality.
And what's the price point on this?
$249.
$249. Now, does it come with like an Apple cable? So if I want to use it to make phone calls and press the button and...
Comes with both Apple and Android cables, as well as a soft pouch. And then the internal battery will handle up to 20 hours of battery life.
20 hours?
Yeah.
And that's running running Bluetooth?
That's running complete, yeah. Bluetooth with aptX and the internal amplification.
That is amazing. I mean, I've had other, stuff like that. I mean, that is an incredible amount of battery life.
No,
for a
definitely.
product like this.
And as I said, I mean, it's comfortable. It's funny how, we talk about this long evolution of product, but in reality, things haven't really changed. And that's where we feel we're bringing a lot of value for customers looking for that next product, right? We're talking about, Nike comes out with new shoes all the time. The next best thing, they're still shoes.
Right.
And in the end, headphones have become that lifestyle product that it's there all the time. They're in your bag, or they're on your head, or they're being charged, right? But in the end, they're being used. And if they're comfortable, if they deliver that quality sound, you get your bang for the buck.
Now, how do these do? I know you said they have memory foam ear cups, stuff like that. How are these going to do on keeping outside sound out?
So the isolation is quite nice. It's a little loud in here right now. It's hard to demo, but the reality being, if you come to the booth, you can put them on, and you'll hear a definite improvement, isolating a lot of external noise. Now, not necessarily at hybrid levels that our noise-canceling headphones would deliver, but definitely a lot more than you would have if you didn't have the headphones on.
So do you guys have active noise-canceling headphones?
We do have active noise-canceling headphones. I alluded to earlier, we have 4 models that have been out since our inception in 2012. It's a lineup that starts with our DU corded headphones, so dual driver. So real simple, you get up to speed here, you'll be DU dual unit. Okay, got it. And then we step up to our Bluetooth wireless headphones. And then we also have our noise canceling, active noise canceling, and then our DJ headphones. And the price points, $199, right? $129, $199, $299, $399, where these come in at $249.
So right in the middle.
Yeah, definitely. So it's a nice spread. Granted, very conventional, but as you can see, we're kind of providing a little twist, just enough to get your attention, and provide a different experience, a different quality experience.
So for our viewers who are not coming down here to CE Week, and I don't know why you're not, where can they find more Sheer products?
So we're in booth 121. Can't miss us. Actually, we're up on the main floor, just behind the Pioneer booth.
And what about online, or where can I buy them?
Cleer.us. And we actually have an online store there, so if you can't wait.
It's easy, it's convenient.
Yeah, totally.
That's amazing. Claude, thank you so much
Jason,
for coming
it's
in.
such a pleasure.
I mean, these
Appreciate
look great. I'd love to demo these.
Yeah.
These look like amazing headphones, and they match our set. More coming up from CE Week 2016. Stay tuned. Be terrific. We'll be with you for the next 2 days. We'll be right back.